Hi, this is Dominic from bridgeMLS. In this video, I will show you how to customize your search criteria by adding fields, such as area. In Paragon's search menu, simply choose Customize and then Fields. In the Fields window, find Area in the Available Fields section. Check to select Area. Then choose Add in the center column. After area has been moved to the selected fields section, you can hit Apply and Save As. In the Save Search As window, you can name your search and make sure the checkbox for Set as my default search is checked. Then hit the Save button. You will now see the newly added field in your list of criteria. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please contact bridgeMLS Technical Support at 925-363-2333 or support@bridgemls.com. Thank you.